Swarna. I am going to give a short summary about the topic transfer pricing. Transfer price is the price where one division, that is the transferring division, charges for a product supply and also for the services rendered to another division, that is the receiving division. The product which has been transferred from the transferring division to the receiving division is called the intermediate product. And the transferring division creates a revenue for the transferring division and purchase cost for the receiving division that overall affects the division's operating income. And the utilities of transfer pricing: performance evaluation, employee engagement and compensation, and taxation and profit remittance and resource allocation. First, performance evaluation. That is, it motivates the manager to increase the maximum divisional profitability. And in case of employee engagement and compensation, often the managers are given a compensation based on their performance of the division as they are responsible for. And in case of resource allocation, there is a coordination between the production units and the sale units that enables the resource allocation and better utilization of resources like capacity, manpower, etc. And in case of taxation and profit remittance, it affects the overall tax burden of the company as well as the profit is had to be repatriated to their head office. Methods of transfer pricing: first, cost-based transfer pricing, market-based transfer pricing, negotiated or bargain transfer pricing. In case of cost-based transfer pricing, it has been further classified into actual manufacturing cost, variable manufacturing cost, standard cost, full cost, and cost plus markup. In case of actual manufacturing cost, the goods and services are transferred between their divisions at their actual cost of production. In case of variable manufacturing cost, at their variable cost of production. In case of full cost means the cost of production plus the selling and overheads, distribution overheads, administration overheads, research and development cost, and etc. In case of standard cost, the inventories are usually carried at their standard cost either by the transferring division or also the receiving division. In case of cost plus markup, there will be a full cost plus some markup, and the markup plus added to the cost is expressed as a percentage of full cost or percentage of capital employed. And the transferring division may range between the minimum transfer price and maximum transfer price. Minimum transfer price is determined by the selling division, that is the transferring division, and it will be an incremental cost, that is up to the point of transfer plus the opportunity cost. In case of maximum transfer price, it has been determined by the receiving division, and the maximum transfer price will be the market price or the market price plus the cost associated with purchase. And if there is a conflict between the transferring division and the receiving division, they need to fix the fair transfer price. If fair transfer price is not possible, then you have to go for the dual rate transfer price or two-part transfer price. Excellent. And there are two disadvantages but in dual part transfer price. That is it complicates the records and the profit determined as division are artificial. And in case of disadvantages of treating the division as a profit center, first, incremental cost of the transferring division is the incremental cost of the receiving division, and it affects the cooperation between the divisions and duplication of the staff activity. Top management loses the control, and the risk of mistake committed by divisional managers, and also it leads to the complications in the transfer pricing problems, and the division's results, it confuses the division results with the manager's performance, and it also difficulty in identifying the proper and suitable profit center, and it leads to the lack of harmony, and it is underutilized of the corporate competence. And finally, the objectives of the transfer pricing is to achieving the goals and objectives of the organization as a whole, thereby promoting a goal concurrence and optimum utilization of the financial resources and optimum utilization of unused capacity. Thank you.
We have to fix opportunity cost while fixing the transfer price, fixation of transfer price.
Sir, if the market price and their product is the price is different.
Market has 100%
Full capacity. Next, whenever key factor arises, you have to fix transfer price plus variable cost plus opportunity cost. Why we need a multinational transfer price?
In case if the division transferring to the other countries for tax
Why
savings,
we need
for tax savings,
tax savings?
import duty reduction.
tax and profit difference.
In case of high inflation, they have to avoid the current devaluation.
Good.